Eric here with Ocean Waves Soft Wash. We're here in Ocean City cleaning these condo buildings here. One there. Got both vehicles here today. Cleaning this condo as well. Let's walk around. We're cleaning this side right now as we speak. We're gently cleaning the surface. Low pressure application with a soft rinse and a wax coating. You see them, check it out. Easily hit 4 stories high. Got Chris there, we got Brandon soft washing this siding here. Washing these whole condos. Give us a call for any HOA condo cleaning projects or your personal home. 302-449-WASH. That's 9274. Or check us out on the web, oceanwavesllc.com. Thank you very much.